How to fix the Discord struck on the gray screen. So the very first step that you should do is long press on the square, tap on the top eye icon, scroll down up until you see the option of storage and clear all the data and all the cache from Discord. Now go on the Google Play Store and tap Discord on the top search bar. See if there is any update option available. Since there is no update option available, then you can just open your Discord, because this might also be the problem sometime. And if still the problem is not solving after clearing all the cache data and also seeing if the update is available, what you need to do is uninstall your Discord and restart your phone by powering off button on the phone and restart your phone again and go on the Google Play Store and install your Discord application again and log into your respective Discord account again. And now this problem might not be showing in your screen and your Discord application. So do try it and see if it works or not. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do thumbs up, subscribe, and also comment in the comment section below.